See? Exactly what I'm talking about. I have your charger plugged in. This was at 26% when I put the charger in. I just watched it go from 18 to 17. See if it goes to 16. Hmm. It's just chilling at 17. It's not going forward. It's not going backwards. It was at 26% when it started. Should it charge up by now? It's connected. To a fast charger. So it should definitely work. Just chilling at 17%. Hasn't moved. This is a 2-minute video. Should have gone up or down by now. Hey, let's see. All right. Boom! Oh! Did you see that? Now it's at 16. And this charger works.